Japanese homes stay spotless 24/7 without weekend cleaning marathons. And it's not because they clean more, it's because they've mastered 6 habits that make clutter physically impossible. In the next 5 minutes, I'll reveal the exact system Japanese families use to maintain organized homes effortlessly. And the 6th habit? It's so powerful, it'll change how you see every object in your house. But here's the catch: if you skip even one of these Japanese habits, the entire system falls apart. So stay until the end, because that final habit is the game changer. Here's the first Japanese habit that prevents mess from ever starting. If it takes less than 1 minute, do it now. Not later, not tomorrow, right now. Dirty cup. Wash it immediately, mail on the counter, file it now, jacket on the chair, hang it up this second. Japanese culture calls this Kaizen, continuous small improvements that prevent big problems. Think about it, that pile of clutter on your dining table, it started with one item you didn't put away. The Japanese eliminate clutter at the source by making 1-minute tasks non-negotiable. This single habit stops 80% of household mess before it even begins. The second Japanese habit is a mental game changer. Remove your shoes at the door, and you'll instantly transform your mindset about your home. This isn't just about cleanliness, it's about creating a psychological boundary. When Japanese people remove their shoes, they're telling their brain, "I'm entering my sanctuary now." The outside world stays outside. Studies show that shoes track in 421,000 different bacteria into your home. But more importantly, this ritual forces you to treat your home with respect the moment you walk in. It's a daily reminder that your space deserves care, which automatically makes you more mindful about keeping it organized. Habit number 3 is the most transformative. Every night, Japanese families perform a 15-minute reset ritual before bed. Here's exactly what they do. First, they walk through each room and return misplaced items to their designated spots. Second, they wipe down kitchen counters and dining surfaces. Third, they prepare tomorrow's essentials, clothes, bags, breakfast items. Fourth, they do a final visual scan to ensure nothing is out of place. This evening reset means you never wake up to yesterday's mess. Your mornings become calm instead of chaotic. You're not scrambling to find keys or clean dishes for breakfast. Japanese homes stay organized because they never let disorder accumulate overnight. Quick question before continuing. Which habit are you going to try first? Drop a comment with Habit 1, Habit 2, or Habit 3. I read every single one. And if you're loving this, hit that subscribe button, because we're about to reveal the 3 most powerful Japanese habits. Here's Habit 4, and it's the secret to Japanese minimalism. For every new item that enters your home, one old item must leave. Bought a new shirt? Donate an old one? Got a new book? Remove one from your shelf? New kitchen gadget? Out goes something you never use. Japanese culture views space as sacred. They don't just organize clutter, they prevent it from entering their lives in the first place. This habit forces you to think critically before every purchase. Do I love this enough to trade it for something I already own? Over time, you'll naturally keep only items that truly serve you, and your home will stay clutter-free without constant organizing sessions. This is prevention, not cure, and it works for life. The 5th Japanese habit solves the biggest organization problem. Every single object in your home must have one designated spot, no exceptions. Keys live on a hook by the door. Remote lives on the coffee table corner. Mail lives in a specific basket. Scissors live in one drawer. Never somewhere, always here. Japanese organization systems are called ichi-go ichi. Everything has its proper place. And you honor that place every single time. This eliminates the mental load of remembering where things are. No more searching for your phone charger or that important document. Studies show we waste 2.5 days per year just looking for misplaced items. The Japanese waste 0 time because every object lives in one permanent home. The 6th and most profound Japanese habit is this. Before you put something away, touch it with gratitude. Sounds strange? It's rooted in Shinto spirituality, where objects have spirit and deserve respect. When you fold your shirt, thank it for keeping you warm. When you wash your favorite mug, appreciate that it held your morning coffee. When you organize your desk, acknowledge the space that lets you work. This isn't just spiritual, it's psychological genius. The moment you practice gratitude for your belongings, you stop treating them carelessly. You stop buying things you don't need. You start maintaining what you have. Japanese cleaning expert Marie Kondo made this famous, but it's been a cultural practice for centuries. This habit transforms cleaning from a chore into an act of self-respect, and that mindset shift makes organization effortless and permanent. So there you have its 6 Japanese habits that make messy homes impossible. The 1-minute rule, shoes off mindset, evening reset, 1-in 1-out system, designated homes, and gratitude practice. Here's your challenge. Pick just one habit and commit to it for 7 days. That's all. Just one. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more life-changing organization systems. And tell me in the comments which Japanese habit surprised you the most. Your organized home starts today. I'll see you in the next video.